In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a GOG Games shortcut in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want quicker access to your favorite games without searching through GOG Galaxy every time. Whether you want to place the shortcut on your desktop, in a games folder, or anywhere else on your computer, this method will save you time and make launching your game much easier. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. Once it loads, go straight to your library, where all of your installed and owned games are listed. From there, click on the game you want to create a shortcut for. After selecting the game, look for the settings option, which is usually shown as a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the game's options. Inside the settings menu, select Manage Installation and then choose Show Folder. This will open the folder where the game is installed on your computer. In that folder, you'll find the game file or shortcut you need. At this point, you can simply copy that shortcut and paste it anywhere you want, such as your desktop or another easy-to-reach location. Once you paste it, you'll have a direct shortcut to your GOG game, making it much faster to open whenever you want to play. And that's it. You've now created a GOG Games shortcut in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.